There was a man that lived in my neighborhood. This man, I watched him closely for a long time. I discovered that every day he will spend close to 50 dirhams to buy food for birds. You see, I kept watching. It was an old man though. One day I approached him and I asked him, "Sir, I have noticed this. Every day you buy food for these birds. But yet I see people here, sir, who are working. Some of them don't even have what to eat. Why do you prefer to feed these birds and allow these people? Why do you prefer to spend these 50 dirhams every day on birds than humans?" And I was astonished with his response. This old man, he told me he prefers to rather spend his money on birds, knowing that if he's in trouble tomorrow, he will not call for these birds. He will not expect help from these birds, than to spend his money on people who will not even mind, or who will not even think of him tomorrow, even if they see him in trouble. You see, this response brought pain to my heart, because you see, a lot of people are not good today. A lot of people, we call them wicked today. A lot of people, we call them bad today. And that is not who they are. They are just who we have met them. They have encountered a Lord. They have rendered help to a Lord. People at their dying stages. But those people, at some point in their lives, they badly needed the help of these people. And that was when they discovered that humans are not to be trusted. So you see, out there, whatever thing you are doing, know that you are responsible for shaping someone's life. If there are people who are good and are still good out there, it is because they have at least seen a glimpse of goodness from other people around them. A man can actually be weary of doing good if you keep giving and you never receive. If you are not strong, you will give up on that giving. So I tell somebody out there,